Hey guys, it is me, Happy. I am back with another video, and the purpose of this video is because I have to make a YouTube thumbnail for my YouTube channel for the video that I just made. And so I thought, why not make a video showing how you do that? So that's what I'm here for. All right. So I already have templates created, and that'll be another video where I talk about how to make templates and all that. It's super easy, but I have templates created for the YouTube for my YouTube channel, and as you can see, I have some that are down here. See, pointing down here. All right. I'm just going to open up any one of these because any one of these will work for what I want to do. Or right here where it says from your templates, I can click that. Now I won't click that this time because I haven't showed you guys how to make a template. So why would I click that now? So what I'm going to do is just go down here to one of my existing projects. And if you want to see what projects you have, you can also click here where it says projects and then wait for it. And then it will open up your projects. So I can open up easily any one of these. And matter of fact, you know what? I'll do this one. Yeah. Now, what I did absolutely wrong because what I did was I edited the project. And that means that I'm going to be changing the entire project of this one. That is not what I want to do. So I'm going to go back to projects. And what I want to do this time is I want to duplicate this project. So I'm going to go over here and notice when you hover over one of these, you get this three menu item, which is telling you more. So if I click on that, then I have options and I can say make template or I can say duplicate. In this case, I'm just going to say duplicate. Abracadabra, I can name it. So what I started doing, instead of putting the name at the end, I'm going to put the name in the beginning. And I think I actually have a template for Express, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to say Express. I'm going to put a dash. So happy to YouTube thumb. Yep, that's what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that. It's going to go ahead and come in. I forgot to turn my notifications off. That's why you heard that bing. Hopefully no more bings, or I'll turn the notification off. But I'm hoping this is pretty quick. All right, so now you'll see I have my template right here that says Express. So I'm going to edit that because what I want to do is make this one for the new video that I just created. So I have this template already here, and this works with any template that they have. You open it up pretty much the same way. I'm going to go ahead and click on how to sign up because I want to change this text. I already have the text in my clipboard. So hopefully I type that in there. Not sure why it's not showing up, but let me go ahead and grab it because I have it over here in my other screen. I'm just going to grab it real quick. Edit copy. You know what I think I did? I think I did an edit copy and it just copied it. But anyway, look at that. Easy fix. Okay. So the video that I did was use text frame options, make a bulleted list with paragraph styles in InDesign. Okay. So I'm going to move this over a little bit. Super easy to navigate inside of this program, which is kind of awesome. What I want to do now is I'm going to change out the colors because I want to use a different color set for videos that I use with Express. Typically, I look at their logo and I try to see what colors do I want to pull out. I think this time I want to pull out that yellow because I haven't messed with yellow yet. So I'm going to see how this goes. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click on, and remember this menu, the way that it works is whatever you click shows up in this context menu right over here. All right. So I clicked here and now it's showing me that I can edit the background. So I'm going to click here because this is going to be the basis for all the colors that I use. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on some colors and see if I like them. So I kind of like that golden color right there. Yeah, not necessarily with this blue. I know it's hurting your eyes and I'm not trying to. I always, and this is just by habit, I copy this hexadecimal or index number with the hashtag that's here. This is just in case the color doesn't show up, but typically always it shows up for the background. But just in case it doesn't, I always have it as a background. And if I wanted to sample color, see that eyedropper right there, I can just grab that and choose another color. But for now, this is good. This is what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and click off of that. I'm going to go ahead and click the areas that I want to make this yellow, and there it is. It's right there. So I didn't have to copy it, but I did. Now in this case, so I have text, And I have this frame around the text. Now, if I look here, it's only showing me the off-white color that I want to keep. No, I don't. That I want to change. However, I want to change it after I change the background color. So down here with effects, the way I know that something is on it is I'll see the darker this is activated, right? So this little radio is activated. It's not really a radio, like a button, like a slider. I don't know, but it's activated, right? Because it's darker black or darker gray. So now I know that I can click on this, or I can click on this little arrow, and I'll get the options, right? See that arrow, the little carrot right there? I can click on it and it's giving me the options. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make the shape color the same color that I've been using. So I'm going to click on that. Yes, and I know your eyes are hurting for a second. I promise it's only for a second. I'm gonna make you feel better in just 1 second. All right, so with this text color, I'm gonna go ahead and change that. And I think I want to make it maybe, I like that blue. You know, I wasn't planning on making it that blue, but it kind of works out. I was thinking of maybe a lighter blue. Let me see. But I like the contrast between dark blue. You know what? I'll keep it right here. Okay. All right. So now I got the blue. And I like this. These are the two colors that I'm going to go with. So now I can go ahead and start styling out this background. So maybe I'll click here. And now this looks a little bit different. I have an add to background button that I can choose, but what was affected? Well, this has an effect because I can look down here at filters and see that it is activated. So now I can click on that carrot, and now I can know that it's dual tone because that's what it's showing me, and I can swap out these colors for colors that I think are gonna work. I do like that blue that I had. I can actually start going down here and seeing if any of these colors work for me. Let's click on this one. That's kind of nice, but that's not what I want. And look at this. If you hit the reverse, that means the lighter color is going to be the main color. And check that out. So it kind of inverts it. And that's kind of cool as well. But that's not really what I want. I'm going to go with, let me look at this yellow. Can I invert it? Whoa. Whoa there. Whoa there. That's not what I want to go for. So if I don't see a color that I want, then I'll just go ahead and go in here. And I always want to make the darker color because of the look that I want. I don't want the inverted look. I typically, let me see what this blue looks like. No. Let me go here. I'm going to make that darker, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to make that lighter and see how I like that. Nope, not feeling that at all. So now I'll go here and I'll just play with different color. I do like the yellow highlights. I just don't know what, am I the right one? Yeah. I do like the yellow highlights. I don't really like that dark uh, blue. So what I'm going to do is click this yellow and then work my way down in yellow land. That way it's a darker color based off of that yellow. That's brown. Not sure I like brown. Maybe, just maybe. Oh, that wasn't what I meant to do. Hang on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with seeing if I can get, I think I want more of like an orange. So let me see what the orange is going to look like. All right, let's see. Brightens it up just a little bit, but that's not the color I'm going for either. So I'm just going to play with color. And you guys, let's play with color together. Let's see. Ooh, I like that blue. I kind of like that blue. So then, yeah, I think I do. All right, so you know me, I'm going to copy that blue, copy that, and I might actually change the other blues to that blue because I do like that a little bit with the yellow behind it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. Yeah, let me see what this looks like in that blue. So I'm going to click on the text. I'm going to go back. Is that? I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that blue at all. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and make the remaining changes. I want to change out this, and I want to change out the color of me. Now notice they're all filters. These are dual tones. So I can click on that, I can go back. Oh, sorry, clicked on the wrong thing. But I can click on this, and then I'm going to click on the carrot, and I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to change these colors. So I had that interesting blue here. Ooh. And then I had that yellow. So I'm going to see what that looks like a little bit. I'm not mad at that. Let me do the same over here. That interesting blue. Let's just call it blue. And then, oops, let me click on this. And let's try that yellow. Very interesting. Each one is giving me like a different look. Look at that inverted look. Interesting. Okay. So now I'm going to click on me. And it is grouped. So I could ungroup it, but if I click it again, I'll get to the inside. And there's also the shadow me that's behind it. That one I'm not going to worry about. I'm going to worry about this one. And again, filters. And I'm going to go with, colors do I want to go with in this one? Let's go what the darker blue looks like. Yeah, it's not bright enough. Maybe I'll play with, ooh, I don't know. I don't know. Like it. Let me see what yellow looks like. Hmm. Gray. Oh no. Let me go back to. Let me go back. I'm not mad at that, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna undo, and I got this trusty little undo button up here where I can undo the yellow. There we go. I'll go back to that. All right. So now I have it ready for my for this particular topic for the use text frame options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download, go up here, and I'm going to go for, I can do a PNG or I can do a JPEG. In this instance, I'm just going to do a JPEG. I'm going to download it. Now I'll go over here to my YouTube just so you can see it in action. Let me go ahead and minimize this a little bit. Well, not like that, but like that. Okay, so we minimize this a little bit, and then let me go ahead and grab the YouTubes. Okay. Not quite sure if you guys are seeing a blank screen. Okay, and so I have my YouTube. I'm ready to go ahead and put it in. So I'm going to click on Upload Thumbnail. Then it's a little slow. I don't know why it's being so slow. And then my downloads, this should be it. So I go ahead and check it just to make sure that is the one. I'm going to drop that in. I'm going to answer the question for YouTube. No, it's not. And I'll come back and do the rest. So I'm just going to hit save just so that you can see this. And then I'm going to go to, oh, yeah, there it is. And you can see that it's added as a thumbnail to my YouTube channel, just that easy. So then when I go to see the video, I'll go view it real quick. Hopefully it doesn't autoplay. It's gonna. Hey guys. Let me pause. Okay. So when I go to see the video, it's not showing it in the view I was hoping for. I think I need to look at my channel. And I just posted this video actually for the first time. So total views must be me. So I guess, um, let me check something. Your channel. Okay, so this is what I wanted you to see. So when I go to see the video, don't worry about that other stuff. I have a program where I can see my analytics. But when I go to see the video, I can see it's right here. And this is the thumbnail that people who view your video and stuff like that will see. And as you can see, I am working on making sure that all of the brands are the same, but just like different by color or what have you. But that's another story. But regardless, This is how you can make your YouTube thumbnail using Express. How awesome is that, right? Just imagine being able to work within the browser. I think is amazing, right? Because I'm on YouTube, I do my recording and everything through the browser. Um, and then I go to Express, make the thumbnail, and boom, I'm working in here. So that's pretty easy, pretty solid. And I just want to get on here and share that with you guys. Hopefully, you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Subscribe if you like the channel, if you like the content. Comment to let me know what you liked about it or that you liked it. And share. Hey, share it out with on your social medias and stuff so I can grow this channel. Woo! All right. So other than that, if you have a video, or sorry, if you have an idea that you would like me to do a video on involving graphics or something like that, let me know. I definitely, I love creating videos and stuff like that. So otherwise, ta-ta for now. That's all I got for you guys. I will see you guys in the next video.